My dear friends in Myanmar, today I want to say a bit more to you guys who are protesting. Actually, you guys need to understand that democracy would not come to you. you. Your voice is not being heard. Even though there are a lot of people protesting, I can see millions of people are protesting in Myanmar, but I don't see anything would change. Why? Because it's a cope. If you want to change that, it's not just by word. You need to do, you need to get independence. What I see now, you need to get independence from military. So I can listen to the voice of many of thousands of people. We can see collectively. We can see how people are marching, how people are walking in the street, and how people are saying their words. There are a few things that you guys forgot to ask. The first thing is about the constitution, about the law. You need to change the law to bring democracy, not to release Aung San Suu Kyi. Releasing Aung San Suu Kyi, releasing NLD parties or politicians and protesters doesn't bring democracy. It's not democracy. Democracy have to be brought by changing the law in Myanmar. Nobody talks about equal rights for all ethnic minorities. Nobody is talking about the rights of the people who have lost their rights under military dictatorships and NLD collectively, including NLD and militaries, both of them have snatched the rights of people. They have committed genocides, crimes against humanity, ethnic cleansing, war crimes, and they have treated human inhumanly. So my brothers, my sisters, and the citizens of Myanmar, I want to let you guys know, you guys can't just walk. You guys need to get independence. Independence from military. Because it is just a cope, the dictatorship. The same thing happened when it was with British or Japan, when they ruled, when they colonized Myanmar before 1948. The same thing happened after 1962. But this time, it is coped, it is being ruled, similar like colonization from military, from the same ethnic who are committing crimes. I'm not saying to the whole ethnic, I'm not saying to the everyone, but there are peoples, there are ruling peoples who are ruling genocide, crimes against humanity. Therefore, I want to let everyone know who are protesting, demand the rights. Look at Aung San Suu Kyi. Have she said anything yet? Look at NLD. Look at their politicians. Have they said anything yet? Have they said about what mistakes they have done since 2010, since 2008, when they accept the constitution, when they accept 2008 constitution? Since then, until now, have they said anything? Have they admit their mistakes? Have they apologized from the people? Have they said that they have done wrong things? Have they released their statement saying that they want equal rights for everyone? This have to be done. NLD and the politicians, including Aung San Suu Kyi, is whoever in the custody of military, have to raise their voice, have to release their statement, saying that they really want to give equal rights to everyone, so everyone can support them. So we can believe that if they are released, if they come to power, they would change the constitution, they would change the system in Myanmar, they would give equal rights to all. They must say something. They can't just be silent, stay under the custody of military and just remain there and let the people demonstrate asking for democracy. What kind of democracy is this? What type of democracy are you looking for? Are you looking for equal rights? Are you looking for justice? Are you looking to give justice to the people who victimized by military, by politicians? What Aung San Suu Kyi have done being foreign minister? Have she said something about why she misused the ministry position? Why she used her power in international relations and foreign countries as a foreign minister, manipulating the world, manipulating the people, going to the ICJ and elsewhere? Why she did that? Have she released any statement saying that this is forced by military? This she have to done all those things because of military, or because of under pressure, or due to the reasons from parliament? She haven't said anything yet. She need to release her statement. The politicians have to release their statement. NLD have to come forward, have to raise their voice even from inside. They have to release their statement and say that they really want to give equal rights. They will accept all ethnic peoples. They will stand for the rights of the people. They haven't said all these things yet. They are just saying democracy. What kind of democracy is that? Is that majority voice? Are they looking after majority voice? Similar like what Hitler have done in Germany. Hitler got majority vote in Germany with hate speech towards Jews. Are they looking to do the same thing with the word democracy? They want to get majority and criminalize and punish the people, treat the people inhumanly all around, including Rohingya and other ethnic groups in Myanmar. So I want every one of you, whoever demonstrating in Myanmar, to think what are you actually asking? What NLD's position right now? What are they seeking? Is NLD going to change the country? Are they saying it or not? They have to commit. They have to commit to the people. They have to say something to people. They have to say the reason of their failure. They haven't said anything yet. Everyone is just mocking around, thinking, blindfolded, just saying whatever they wish, just thinking like imagination and hallucination. Just thinking of Aung San Suu Kyi, just thinking she would come, she would give this, she would give that. Have she said that yet? She is inside now. But the NLD haven't said anything yet. Therefore, I am asking you guys, whoever protesting, to get the independence. To get the independence. You guys need independence in Myanmar from military.